Yeah, I'm just sleeping and I heard my sister do kayak psyche in front of me. The Grudge walk. Oh my god, the voice is so scary. She does it better. I'm gonna make a video of her tomorrow. Doing the Grudge walk. See how long she can do it. No, I'm gonna see how long she can do it. This is so fucking creepy, man. She's like a voodoo doll. But yeah. But too bad she's already in a relationship with somebody new. Because she's cuter, she's hot, she's sexy. She lost a lot of her body weight. And like, is real crazy about her right now too.